Alright boys and girls, welcome to Nightpacer Makes an Omelet. I can't make omelets, but we're gonna give it a try anyways. First you wanna take your frying pan, put it there. Then you can get a bowl, put it there. Then you get a fork, and you put it there. Then you wanna murder the egg. I can't. I'm not a chef. Oh god. Yeah! Then quickly realize you don't have anywhere to put your eggshells. Just stay there. Yeah. Oh, that was awesome! I don't know how I did that. Wow. Ew! Ew! Yeah! Apparently need some oil. Oil, gimme. You want that much oil? Sure, why not? Spoon in the butter. What? Oh god, that means one teaspoon butter. Oh. Alright, medium low. That one. Yeah, I'm a chef. I gotta beat up the eggs. Is that Shell? No! Oh no! Help me, Shell. Don't let me down, Gordon Ramsay. Yeah! I feel like there's more. Where is it? I feel it. Oh no. Ah! Oh no, I'm not ready. I haven't beaten my eggs yet. You go low. Fork. Right, seasoning. You. I can't. My hands are too eggy. Oh, aerial shot. Come on! Butter's foaming. We needed, ignore the fact that I have like a million forks. Yeah, this one. I need to get a new. Alright, Eggos, come here. Hiya! Yeah! Suck it, eggs. Yeah! So we're just letting it set, and then I think, oh, okay. Then we do this. No, okay, it hasn't set enough yet. I just realised that's an open fire. Ow! Now I do. Doing this with one hand isn't as easy as you would think. I don't know what I'm doing. Look, I'm sorry, I don't have any grated cheese, so we're just gonna have to go with a fake kind. I'm sorry. Oh my god, it's cooking too quickly. Okay, now we need to get this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh god, I'm ruining it. Ah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Hello. What happens if I flip it again? Yeah. Yeah, innovation here, folks. What? No! It's fine. Let's pretend that didn't happen. That was an awesome throw. I think I'd make a good cooking show host. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. With you okay? Can I just like Okay, think of any more recipes, let me know, and I will do these recipes. Don't you worry. I'm gonna go and eat this monstrosity that I've made. I love you guys. Bye. Oh. You know what? That's actually pretty good.